Hey guys, Jen here, bringing you another video to help you make money and live your best life. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you'd like to get more content like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day flipping websites. Okay, so let's dive in. All right, so flipping sites is a great way to make extra money. You can definitely do it on the side. You can also make it your full-time gig. I'm going to show you a marketplace where businesses come together to buy and sell websites. Okay, so here we are on Flippa. So on Flippa, as a website seller, you're going to be connecting with clients and sell your website. It's not as hard as you think to make $100 a day using Flippa. We're going to take a look at the very first site. Well, I'll say the very first content site that I flipped for a profit. So we'll take a look at how it started, what I did to make it profitable, how the sales process went, and more. This is the site here. It has been rebranded. I sold it about 3 years ago, and I started the site in the make money niche. At that time, I had a lot of knowledge about making money online. I was working my 9 to 5 and really desperate to leave the corporate world. So I was looking for opportunities to make money online. Through that time, I acquired a lot of knowledge and experience, and so I decided to put that into a blog. So I created this blog. And again, this isn't the exact blog. It has been rebranded and theme changed, but I'll show you what it looked like at the time that it sold. Let's see here. The site was about 8 or 9 months old when it sold. It had gotten up to earning about $1,000 to $1,300 per month, and it was receiving about 30,000 page views per month as well. Okay, so we'll take a look at a screenshot from 2016 so you can see what the site looked like. Here, it had about over 100 articles at the time of the sale. All right, and so we'll just wait for this to load here. Now, if you want to start your own website flipping business, I'll leave a link down below in the description box to a course that will help you start your own website flipping biz. It's called Website Flippers University. It shows you my exact process for starting, growing, building out, and selling a website. Okay, so this is a snapshot of kind of what the site looked like back then. Okay, and I'll just click through the site while I chat about what I did to make this profitable. Okay, so as I shared, this was a site from the Make Money Online niche. So I drew from my own experience to talk to readers about how to earn money online. I publish content all throughout the month, and I promoted on social media. I did little to no paid marketing at all. That means I didn't do any Facebook ads or any influencer shout outs or any type of paid advertising for this. I used social media to grow the traffic. The site was monetized in a couple different ways: sponsorships, ads, affiliate marketing, and my own products. With sponsorships or brand deals, you as a content creator or blogger will partner with a brand and share that brand on your website and get paid to do so. So this might involve recording a video, hosting a giveaway, writing a blog feature, sending an email blast to your subscribers, something like that, and a brand will pay you to do that. So that was the first way I monetized the site. The second way was through ads. So in this past snapshot, I don't know if it'll show you ads. Here's one right here. But with ads, they were placed throughout the site. When readers clicked on the ad, I earned a small income. Here's an ad as well here. So pretty straightforward there. Next, affiliate marketing. So I referred products and services in the website, like this link right here for Bluehost. When readers clicked on the link and purchased, I earned a small commission from the sale at no additional cost to the reader. So that's how affiliate marketing works. So there are affiliate links all throughout the site. And then lastly, my own products. So I did create courses and ebooks that I sold through the site, and anyone who purchased those products I would earn money from. So those are the 4 ways that the site was monetized. So we talked about how I started it, where it came from. We talked about traffic, which was all from social media. And then we talked about how I grew the income. Lastly, email subscribers. Subscribers are pretty easy to get. All you need to do is add a landing page or a form to your site to capture email subscribers. Um, it's a lot easier than you might think. A lot of times, if you just put out an opportunity to join the email list, you'll have people join without having to do anything but that. You can also create a freebie or a lead magnet to help entice readers to join the list. This is where you give away something for free in exchange for their email address, like a guide or an ebook or a checklist. And that's how I was able to grow the list. And I don't remember how many subscribers the site had at the time of sale, but when the site sold, it sold for low 5 figures. It didn't take very long to sell it all, and through that sale, I was able to be afforded a lot of networking opportunities and meet with clients, connect with peers in the industry and other bloggers, and make friends. So it was a very desirable outcome. Okay, and that's it. That's the run through of the very first content site that I built and flipped for a profit. Let me take you to the course. This is the course page for Website Flippers University, where you will build, grow, and sell a blog or content site with me. Again, I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to join, but it is a really awesome course. There are 12 modules with tons of lessons, video and text based lessons. Here's the curriculum here. We go week by week and we work on something new. One week we'll do content, one week we'll do list growth, one week we'll do monetization and growing your income. One week we'll do traffic. It's very multifaceted and you'll get a lot for your money. So this is great if you want to start a side hustle, earn a little extra money flipping websites. It's also something that you can take full time and scale very easily. I've made 6 figures per year flipping sites. It's fun, it's rewarding. I think it's going to be something that you'll find very enjoyable. And I think that wraps up this video. Jen signing off. Till next time. Bye-bye.